How to fix a disappearing taskbar on your Windows 11 computer. So if your taskbar just randomly disappears, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this issue. Now, the first thing is we just need to go and open up the start menu on your computer, and then you need to click on the settings window. Over in the left-hand navigation, we need to click on personalization, and then scroll down and click on taskbar. You can then click on taskbar behaviors and make sure automatically hide the taskbar is unchecked like this, and once you've done that, you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's not working, the next solution is to open up the start menu. You can then search for Task Manager and click on this window here. Click on the search box and type in Explorer, and then you need to right click on the Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now, your screen may go black for a couple of seconds, and then once again you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. You then just need to type in sfc /scan now and then press enter. Now, this is going to scan your system for any corrupted or damaged files, so you'll just need to wait for this verification to get to 100%, and if any errors are found, it will automatically repair them here. And once you've done that, you can once again check to see if that solves the issue, and it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.